Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 80 for learning management system in Django with ReactJs. In our previous video, we have implemented the search functionality, right? Now in this video, in this 80 video, I'm very happy that this is, this is very, long series, and we have created 80 videos for this series, and I'm very thankful to you guys that for your support and your, support. So with your support I can achieve we have achieved this, right? Okay, so in this video, in this 80th video, we will upload the study material for the course. Like we have uploaded the chapter for the course, we will upload the study material for the course, right? So let's create the model for that. Okay, so let's create model. So I will take reference for the chapter model, right? So this is course rating, this is student, and we have this chapter model, right? So I'll copy this here, right? So now we will fetch here, fetch, and this will be study material, right? And we will say study material. So this will course title, description, and here we will say files. Yeah, we can say file, or we can say upload, right? So this is file field, and we will say course study material, materials, right? Remarks, if we want to add any remarks, course is title, everything is okay. Okay, so this is 15th. Okay, and this will be course study materials, right? And we will add this in admin first, right? So let's add this in admin, and this will be study material, right? Let's migrate this, right? Let's say python 3 manage.py make migrations, right? So here we are, and saying okay, let's add this after migration, right? So go to here, make migrations. What is this? Study material, meta is fine, this is course. Oh, we can't say this name, we can't say the same name. Okay, now this is okay, study material, right? Make migrations, and then migrate, right? And then we have run server, right? And now we have created this. Now let's create the add form for that, and before that we will create the study material, right? So we will say sign quiz, okay, study material, right? So let's create that. Okay, so I will close everything else, and obviously this one also. Let's open the teacher, and what is this? This is course, right? So teacher courses, where it is, teacher courses, here we are, right? And in this we will pass the button, one more button, that is study material. This will be add after this, study material, right? And we will say here study material, and we will pass the course ID, right? And here we have study material, and we will give the different color to this. We have a blue, let's say primary, right? So this is fine, study material, yes, it's okay, fine now. Okay, so we have this. When we click on this, okay, so it will show all the study materials. Okay, so when we click on this, it will show all the study materials, then we can add from there. Okay, like we are showing the chapters, we will show the study materials, right? So first of all, let's see that how we are showing the all chapters. So course chapters here, so we will copy this, copy, new, paste, and save, and we will say study materials.js, right? And here we will change the name study materials, right? And let's save this here. Okay, chapter data, not we will say study data. Okay, and here we are, and everything else is fine, I think. Okay, so course chapters, so we will say study materials, right? And this will be set study data, right? And of course, and this will fetch the data. This will fetch the what is this, handle delete click. Okay, so this is deleting the data. So what we will do here, study material, or we can say chapter ID. So this is chapter ID, so this is study ID actually, right? So here we will pass study ID, and let's say study material, right? Study material. Okay, and then we will pass the ID, data has been deleted, and then we will again fetch the data. So with the help of this study materials, okay, and set study data, right? So data has been deleted, and here all study materials, right? And add study material, and this will be add study, right? And title file, okay, or we can say upload. So chapter data, this will not chapter data, this will study data, study data. This let's make it row. Okay, so row dot title, row dot id, and we will say edit study, right? And this will be row dot video, not row dot video, this will be row dot file. Okay, so we will just show the link. Okay, so this will be row dot file dot url. So let's make it a link. Okay, this is link, and let's say here we will show the link, right? And this will be upload dot url, oh, normal upload. And then row dot remarks, row dot id, row dot id, and this will be edit study, right? And this will be handle delete click, everything else is fine, I think. Okay, so study data, where we are using this study data, I think this should be here, study data, right? So course chapter, so everything else is okay. So let's open the main. Okay, so first of all we will add main here. Okay, so where is the course chapter? Where is the course chapter? Course chapter here, right? So we will copy this, and let's say course study materials, right? And here we will say study materials, okay, and then we will add it here, right? So where is the course chapters? My courses, favorite courses, course chapters, add course chapter, where is the chapters? Chapter, where is chapter? Add chapter here, add chapter, all courses, all chapter, here we are, right? So we will add here, and this will be study materials, right? And this is course ID, and this will be study materials, right? And like edit chapter, we will copy this and paste it here. We will say edit study, right? And here we will pass the edit study, we will say study ID, and then we need to create this. Let's comment this first, we will do that later, right? So we have this model study material. Okay, so let's see that when we click on this, it is showing nothing. Study materials 1 and study materials we have. Okay, actually we don't have data. So study material, okay, let's, oh, we didn't created the URL for that. Let's go to the API and main and URLs. So where is chapter data? Chapter, so this is course chapter, so we'll copy this. Okay, let's paste here. Let's say study materials, right? And this will be study materials, and this is our course ID, and we need to create this view, right? So course chapter list, we will take reference from there, view, and then course chapter list we have here. We are, so we'll copy this, right, and paste it here, right? So this will be study material list, okay, and where course ID is this, and our model is, where is the model? Open the model, study material, okay, and we will fetch the study material from there, and course equal to this, everything is fine. We need to create a study material serializer, right? So let's open the serializer and let's search the chapter serializer, right? And let's copy this, great, and then we will fetch it here, and we will say study material serializer, right? And we will paste it here. This is course title, description, this is upload. We don't need this chapter duration, right? We need the remarks, we have added that. Now we need to import this study material in the view. So here we are. You can import like a model, but from the beginning I'm doing like this so that I have not changed, right? Now this is okay, and we can now add this here. So study materials int course ID, so it should fetch the data. Okay, so let's check that. Okay, nothing is working. Okay, let's check the where is the error? Study material, it's saying study materials, it should say study materials, course study materials, no, course chapters, teacher courses, study materials, yes. Now this will be okay, right? And let's click on this, click here, it is showing the all study materials. Okay, now this is not showing because we didn't fetch any, we didn't added anything. So you can add that. You just need to let's say 127 admin course study material. Let's add study material here. Let's add Django full course. Title is study material 1. Description here, right? A description here. We can upload the image. Let's upload the image we have. Let's say core Artisan lab, right? And here we are. Save this. Right now, if we refresh the page here, it is fetching nothing. Okay, let's check the network. Let's check the network here. Here we are, 500 response. File name upload is not valid for model chapter. Okay, let's go to serializer. Let's say study material. Okay, so here we have what it is saying now. Let's see now. Okay, course. Okay, what it is saying now, above a link component, where is the study materials link? Link, this is link to, we need to define two. Let's add this one, or you can just simply add here and this one, and let's say file, right? And here we are. So study material 1, this is upload. When we click on that, this will show the image. This should show the image. What we need to do, URL is not defined. So okay, why this is not showing the, okay, this is showing with that. Okay, let's add it here like this, slash dollar, this one, and then this. Here, right? So yeah, so this should work now. Here we are. This is again saying, actually we need just the URL. So to, it's saying this. Why this is not showing the things properly? Okay, we will see that the URL is not showing properly. Okay, we'll see that. Okay, let's complete the flow first. Okay, so we will remove the edit button. We'll just delete, we will just apply the delete functionality on this, right? So when we click on delete, it will go to the study material and then study ID, right? And we have the URL, we don't have, okay, we don't have the URL. So what we will do here, we have a course chapter and we are doing something. What is we are doing? A chapter delete. So we will say study material and then slash delete. So chapter, and then we have this ID. So we need to create this detail view. I'll copy this here and I'll just say study material pk and this study material detail view. So study material detail view here. Okay, we need to create the detail view. So let's go to the view and find detail view. So this is course detail view, and what we have other chapter detail view, right? So we can copy this and paste it after the study material here, and we can just simply say study material detail view, right? And then change the model serializer, sorry, right? Now it can accept the delete functionality. So study material int pk and then this, and this will call this function, and let's go to study material. When we click on the handle delete, this will delete the data. Okay, so let's check this. Okay, so it's saying, okay, maybe the server refreshes. What is the error here? Study material view. Okay, we need to fetch the study material view, study material detail view. Yep. Okay, so let's refresh the page here and click on delete, continue. Nothing happened. Okay, so network 404, detail not found. Study material 1, and we have created the URL study material 1. This is detail view. Here we are, and this is not chapter, this should be study material, right? So yeah, now let's click on delete. data deleted. Okay, so now we can apply the add study material functionality, right? We also need to do in the student dashboard that student can see the study material of that course. Okay, so let's apply the add study material. So that will be similar to add chapters, right? So let's open the add chapter. This is course chapter. Let's open add chapter. Add chapter. Here we are. Okay, let's copy this and new, paste, save, and we will say add study material, right? Add study material, and here it will be add study material. One thing more, in the study material we don't need the edit functionality. Yes, so what we will do here, we will just remove the link and just add the normal title. Okay, so add study material, here we are, and let's add here, right? And then we have this video duration. We will no need for this. This is for upload. Remarks is okay. Set study data, so this will be study data. This is study data, right? And handle change, set study data, this will be study data. Handle file change, so this will be upload, right? So let's make it upload dot preload, this one, right? Actually handle file change, this is create object URL. Actually this is for the duration, we don't need the duration actually. This one is, so this will be upload dot source, and everything else is fine. And set study data, and this will be study, sorry, this will be study data. Target files, oh sorry, this one. Okay, so course chapter title, not chapter title, this will be study data, study data, study data, study data, and study data. So this will be upload, don't need the duration. Chapter data, study data, upload dot name, upload, right? So upload dot name, right? And this will be study materials. So after form submit, we can say study and then materials. Data has been added, course ID. Okay, so form data, everything is fine. Add study material. Form is title, this will be description, what we are saying in the model. Yeah, this is fine, description. Video, in the place of video we will say upload, then for upload, and here it will be upload. Okay, name will be upload, right? So remarks is okay, submit is okay, everything is else okay. This is video focused on the, don't need the placeholder, remove that, not remove the ID. Actually ID is not correct, it will be remarks, remarks. Okay, now we need to add this in the main component, our main component. So let's go to the main component here, main, and let's add this. Where is the add chapter? This is the add chapter. We will copy this, we'll paste it here, right? And this will be study material. Add, what we are saying here, add study. Yes, add study, and this will be add study material. Add study material, right? Okay, so we will fetch this, where we are fetching this, here, right? So let's fetch this, add study material, and here it will be study material, right? So we are okay now to load the form, right? So let's we don't have any data, yes, not have data. Click here, add study material, title, description, upload, remarks. Okay, so when we click on that, it will call this URL, it will post, and then okay, let's add this. So study material 1, study material 1, this is detail. We can upload anything, right? So recent desktop, guess image, can say this one image, right? So remarks, submit. Okay, added study material. So let's go to the data. Study material, here you have, so this is one, remarks is this, you can delete that. Let's upload the another one, this is 2, remarks, submit. Now let's go here. So we have 2 files for the course, for this particular course, right? So if we go to the study material, this we can see that here, go here, it's not, it don't have the study material. Okay, so we have implemented the upload study material, delete study material, okay, according in the teacher dashboard. Okay, in the next video we will show this study material in the student dashboard also. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel, like this video, and please support me via Razorpay, PayPal, and just send me your email ID. I will give you the access for this source code, okay, for this LMS project. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.